Hello guys, this is my online teacher YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome and please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video lesson is uploaded. Our topic is about subtracting mixed numbers from whole numbers. The objectives of our lesson are subtract mixed numbers from whole numbers and solve real-life math problems involving subtraction of mixed numbers from whole numbers. Let us have an example. Mr. Castro brought home 2 pizzas. He and his children ate 1 5/8 pizzas. He gave the rest of to his wife. What part of a pizza did he give his wife? So to answer 2 minus 1 5/8, follow these steps. First, align the whole numbers. 2 minus 1 5/8 is to rename the whole number minuend as a mixed number with a fraction similar to that in the subtrahend. So how will we do that? Now, let us rewrite 2 as 1 plus a fraction. Let us determine the denominator of the subtrahend. The denominator is 8. So we will use 8 as the denominator and the numerator. Why? Because 1 plus 8 over 8 is also equal to 2. And now, let's add them up. 1 plus 8/8 is equal to 1 and 8/8. We can now proceed with the subtraction of the subtrahend, which is 1 and 5/8. Since our fractions 1 and 8/8 minus 1 and 5/8 are similar fractions, let's now have our third step. Subtract the fractions, then subtract the whole numbers. Let's just copy the denominator 8 and subtract the numerators 8 and 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So no need to write 0 as a whole number. And the last step is reduce the difference to the lowest term whenever possible. So since our difference is at its lowest term, no need to reduce it to the lowest term anymore. So this is our final answer. So, he gave 3/8 of a pizza to his wife. Now, let's have another example. 14 minus 6 3/9. Let us remember, or let's go back with the first step. The first step is to align the whole numbers. 14 minus 6 3/9. Second step, rename the whole number minuend as a mixed number with a fraction similar to that in the subtrahend. So we will reduce 14 to 13. Let's write an addition sign, and let's copy the denominator of the subtrahend, which is number 9, as the numerator and the denominator. Let's add them up. So 13 plus 9/9 is equal to 13 and 9/9. And let's proceed with subtracting the subtrahend. So 13 and 9/9 minus 6 and 3/9. So since our set of fractions are already in similar fractions, let's just copy the denominator 9. And let's proceed by subtracting the numerator, both numerators. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Then let's subtract the whole numbers 13 and 6. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So, what is our last step? Our last step, if you still remember, after subtracting the fractions and subtracting the whole numbers, let's reduce the difference to the lowest terms whenever possible. So what do you think? A number that can be divided both 6 and 9 without a remainder. Correct. It's number 3. Let's divide the numerator and the denominator by 3. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. Don't forget, we still have our whole number. So let's just add up the whole number 7 and 2/3. So the final answer is 7 and 2/3. Now, it's your turn. 21 minus 11 and 8, 15 is equal to n. I will give you 1 minute to answer this one. Your 1 minute starts now. Alright, so let's do it together. Our first step is to align the whole numbers. 21 minus 11 and 8, 15. So the next step is rename the whole number minuend as a mixed number with a fraction similar to that in the subtrahend. So let's reduce 21 into 20. Let's write an operation sign and copy the denominator of the subtrahend, which is 15, as the numerator and the denominator. Let's add 20 plus 15 will be 20 and 15, 15. And we can now proceed by subtracting both 20 and 15, 15 minus 11 and 18, 15. So since our denominators or the set of fractions are similar fractions, let's just copy the denominator 15. Then let's subtract 15 and 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. And then let's minus 20 and 11. So 20 minus 11 is 9. So our last step is reduce the difference to the lowest terms whenever possible. Do you think we can still reduce this to lowest term? No need, because our difference is at its lowest term. You got it right. Very good. So for your assignment, subtract 7 minus 2 and 5/9 equals n. Do not forget the steps I told you a while ago. First, align the whole numbers. Second, rename the whole number minuend as a mixed number with the fractions similar to that in the subtrahend. Then subtract the fractions and the whole numbers and reduce the difference to the lowest terms whenever possible. And that's all for my online teacher. I hope you learned about subtracting mixed numbers from whole numbers. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video lesson is uploaded. Good day and happy learning!